Hi nail friends, it's Miranda and welcome back to Corgi's Wine and Nails. We are going to do a really fun Americana holiday look today, and it will be attempting to make a bomb pop look. So I'm going to use 3 colors, a sparkly blue, a sparkly red, and a sparkly white silver color. I'm dipping on my natural nails today, so stay tuned if you're interested. As we get started, I'd like to thank Double Dip Nails for sponsoring today's video. I'm using all Double Dip Nail products today, and if you're interested, check out the description box for the list of all the products. And if you'd like to use my affiliate code to save money, please feel free to do that too. So I've applied a coat of peel base to my nails after I prepped, and my first step in this process is going to be doing a thin layer of the dip base and then sprinkling on this sparkly white silver. It's really pretty. It's called Bright Chic. And then I'm going to just kind of get the tip of my nail dipped into the red. Doing glitters like this will make it kind of a little bit of an ombre, but not too harsh of a line. It's gonna look a little bit crazy before it looks better, so bear with me. It's gonna start to look really ugly and then it'll start to look cute, I promise. And then I just sprinkle the blue on and clean up around my cuticle lines here with my trusty little precision tool that's very well loved. And I'm just gonna kind of make sure all the glitters are laying flat down. And this does not have to be perfect. I really like doing this bomb pop mani look with glitters because it's very forgiving. And as you can see, my nails are not that long. I've been wearing the jelly tips and builder gel extensions lately, so I've been keeping my nails pretty short. And this is just a little bit of growth of my natural nails. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just do a cute little summer short look, and let's see if it works out. I've done this look before, and it's always turned out really nice. You can really select which colors you'd like to do this with. The colors that I have is Bright Chic, Sleigh Bells is the blue, and His Queen is the red. But you can really, select chunkier or finer glitters, whatever works for you. And in general, they give the same effect. So if one of these isn't in stock right now, then if you have something else in your collection, you might be able to, do a substitute. I wouldn't recommend trying this with non-glitters, like a flat color or even really a shimmer, because it's going to be hard. It's going to look, you're not going to get the same really kind of ombre effect because these glitters are going to hold their color. They're not going to mix together so much, if that makes sense. Whereas the flat colors are going to kind of start to blend, and it's going to give a weird line in between the colors, the way visually they're going to try to mix together. So it just would be very difficult to do with flat colors. So this is really just kind of an easy cheat. And who doesn't like sparkly, right? For holiday events. Of course, Memorial Day is a day to recognize those that sacrificed their lives for our freedom. And I just love this day. It's such a day of reflection. Even though we have had fun and appreciate that we have the freedom to have fun this weekend, our neighborhood did a really big event, and we went to kind of a pool party thing, and they had margarita machines and pina colada machines, and they grilled out hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and big sausages and stuff. It was really nice. It was a really great day, and so many people in the neighborhood just all met, and I got to hang out with some familiar faces, but I also made a lot of new friends too, so that was cool. And then my little guy Nico, he's 4, he just swam his little heart out, so we had a really nice weekend. And today is actually Monday morning, so I'm just drinking coffee and talking to you all. So if you're wondering where the wine is because I was doing this mani before the holiday event on Saturday, so during the morning, and I was like, yeah, I am not ready to booze first thing in the morning. I know Johnny Depp was saying that happy hour can be anytime, but I was just I wasn't ready yet. So I waited until that event, and then I sure did drink some of those frozen margaritas and pina coladas. They were good. So yeah, I'm just going through and repeating the steps, and hopefully you can kind of start to see, like, it's not a perfect ombre blend, but bomb pops are kind of like not perfect, you know? So here's a little dip of clear to protect those glitters, and I'll activate. This is gonna be a fast video. I know some of my videos are like an hour, but this one's like 10 minutes, I think. And I'm just showing you how to do this one nail, but I do all the nails. And this is something you can think about. So if you wanna do just this as an accent nail, then that would totally work out. Or if you wanna do all your nails, I ended up doing all the nails to look like this, and it looks really cute too. You'll see here at the end. But this one little stray silver glitter that was in the blue glitter, it has these silver holographic glitters that are really pretty, but it just was distracting to me, so I kind of just like dug it out. So I am not perfect. I'm DIY. I'm not a professional. I totally goof stuff up all the time, and I just show you when I do, and that was my solution, was I just took that off. So next up, I'll be buffing, filing, and shaping, and I'll let you watch a little bit of that here. And I know that I'm wearing this look for Memorial Day, but this is also an excellent look for 4th of July, so keep that in mind too. If you're trying to plan out some cute looks, this one's super easy and fun and gives like the best Americana feel. And I just buff it all nice and smooth. The clear is so good. I love double dip clear. And I'm just using a little bit of alcohol to wipe off all the excess dust. And look, it's looking so much better. Like, remember I told you it was gonna look really ugly before it started to look cute? And it looks so nice. I love how it turned out. So I always like to do the activator again, but I'm using gel top coat, and you don't have to if you're using a gel top coat. You definitely have to if you're gonna use the dip top coat, because they interact with each other. But I just, out of habit and ritual, I always like to reapply the activator. And then now I'm going to do a base gel, and I'll cure that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to do the no wipe top gel, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I will show you the finished look with all of the nails done, but it's already looking, ooh, just like glass on top. I love it. And I really hope that you try this out, because it's a really simple look to do, and it gives a lot of like wow factor, but it honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect, and it's actually kind of cuter when it's not perfect. So it's just nice if you're a beginner and you also don't have to have super long nails to pull it off. So it's just a really good look. All right, now friends, here is our finished look on my little short nails. This is not my favorite length, but I do think this still turned out great, and it shows that you can do some creative looks on nails. They don't have to be super duper long. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now, friends.